Hello Gineers, welcome to Ginee. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to use Ginee Listing to scrape and publish the products on your mobile phone. With the launch of the Ginee Listing app, all sellers can scrape and publish products anywhere, anytime, from a single phone, which allows you to spend more time focusing on your business improvement. Now, let's get into the tutorial, Gineers. First, you need to download Ginee Listing app. Currently, we only support for Android device, so you can just go to your Google Play Store to search for Ginee and download. Or you can refer to the link given to download the app. After you successfully downloaded, you can now log in your Ginee Listing app with your Ginee account email and password. Then, you can now click on the button namely Product Scrape to start scraping. There are two methods you can use to scrape the product from Lazada, Bukalapak, Tokopedia, and Jakmall. First, go to the channel's website, copy and paste the product link into the column and click Scrape. After the product is successfully scraped, it will add it to the recently scraped field in below, or you can go to the scrape list to view the products. Second method, you can click on the product scrape and then click scrape button on the top right corner and choose for the platform and country that you want to scrape from. After choosing, select the product you want to scrape and click on the purple button at the bottom right corner to scrape the product. You need to wait for a while for it to scrape the product. If the product was successfully scraped, it will show the notification with scrape successfully. Then, you can just go back to the scrape list to view the product. These are the methods that you can scrape the product from the marketplace. Next, we will show you how to collect the scraped product and publish it to your store. You can first go to your scrape list. Under the Not Collected tab, select the product you want to collect by clicking on the Collect button. Then, select the store that you want to publish and it will show the result of successfully collected. After that, if you want to continue to publish the product, just click on Go to Publish. But first, you will be directed to the draft section, as you need to edit the product information only can publish, because we suggest you to edit the product name, images, and description to avoid penalty or ban by marketplace. Also, fill in the other details like product categories, SKU, price, stock, shipping methods, package size, and weight. After editing, you can click the Publish button to publish the product directly to your store. Once done, you can view your scraped product under the Online Products tab, and means that your product have successfully published. These are the ways that how you can use Ginee Listing app for product scraping and publishing. Good luck, Gineers!